What comes to your mind when you hear the word woman? Perhaps a multitasker? Women since centuries have held flags high at managing both work and home with all perfection. Amidst this daily hustle, there is often a price to pay. Yes, I am talking about stress. You will be surprised to know that 87% of Indian women are reported to be under stress. Conventionally, women health has been a subject majorly talking about physical well being, sexual, and reproductive health. Thanks to the evolving generations, social media, and our celebrities, there is now a growing focus on women's mental fitness. It's no more a surprise that stress is a silent killer, giving rise to various life threatening disorders. Given the recent challenges thrown by COVID-19 pandemic and work from home atmosphere, women's health is a subject that continues to be systematically neglected. It is important to denounce any attempts at curtailing women's rights to decide freely upon all aspects of our body, our mind, and our lives, which has to be free from any discrimination and violence. Today, on this International Day of Action for Women's Health, I just want to remind my fellow women to not submit under the pressure of being a perfect mother, wife, daughter, or a manager. Instead, unload yourself, take a pause, breath, and start consciously taking care of your mind. With such a fast paced and competitive environment, mental health is a luxury that we should definitely try to nurture. You are your own savior. Make out some self time each day. Practice meditation, pursue your long forgotten hobbies, and most importantly, talk. Talk about it instead of fighting it alone. Another important aspect is to make sure that you are getting your body checkups done regularly. Always remember, to make a positive difference in the world, we have to start doing it from ourselves. I am working with a very dynamic organization, Premise Life Sciences, where due emphasis is given on physical as well as mental well-being. We have a very open culture which enable us to discuss any personal, professional issues without any second thought. We also have collaborated with a company called as Your Dost, which has provided us a platform wherein we can speak anonymously with expert psychologists. Regular fun activities and well conducted HR surveys by our HR department has added love to my organization, which has become an integral part of my life rather than just another workplace. I strongly encourage every woman to choose mental peace over anything else. Lastly, just take care of yourself. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.